you doing?
Oh, I'm gonna jump off right here.
Why?
What?
Why are you gonna jump off?
Because I'm a bird and I want to fly. I never fly for 21 years.
But it's very deep. Are you sure you want to do this?
You need to stop drinking
Yep.
soda.
Yep, and my mom is down there.
Yeah.
She's talking to my grandma.
Well, maybe before a drop, I guess.
Yep, my mom is a human. I'm a bird.
Well, try it.
Go. Are you ready? Okay. Oh,
Was that a good idea?
nope. Ow. Ow, I broke my wing. I need to go to the hospital. Hurry. Call Mr. Dino. Call him. Call him. Got my wing. My wing.
The doctor should be here any minute, okay? You're gonna be okay. Oh, here he is. Oh, hi, Mr. Dino.
Hello.
Mr. Bird, had an injury on jumping down, yeah.
Okay.
It was a good idea, right?
Nope.
Are you sure it wasn't a good idea?
Nope.
Okay. So what does he need?
Oh, you need to stab him with the syringe.
Where's the syringe?
Oh, in the cabinet over there.
I thought your friend, your helper was gonna give it to me.
He quit.
Can you tell her to go get it?
Nope.
Why?
No, he quit.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna get it from the cabinet, I guess.
Okay.
So where did he say it was again?
Right here.
In there?
Yep. Right there.
That's a knife.
It's a syringe.
Oh, okay.
What are you guys gonna do?
The doctor said to use this.
That's a freaking knife.
I know, I was just telling him.
What's inside of it?
I don't know. I haven't asked him.
It's-
Wait, let me go ask him. Doctor, what's inside of that knife?
Oh, you want to know?
Yeah.
You're gonna get mad.
Okay.
So
what is it?
It's dolphin poison.
He's not a dolphin.
Well, dolphin poison helps a lot of people.
Let me just give it a try.
I swear, like you stab me with that, I swear you better stab me with it. Don't you?
Sorry about that. What's he supposed to do again?
Oh, he needs to be unconscious for 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Oh, what happened?
Are you okay?
No, I just feel a little bit pressure in my wing. Oh God. Oof. My beak is a little bit bent.
Oh. So, yeah, I'm gonna ask the doctor for instructions of what it's supposed to do.
With my beak.
Hey, doctor, is that your helper over there?
Yep.
Hey. She looks weird.
No, she does. She's a little noob. Hi, little noob. Her name is
This.
Mrs. Noob.